welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Valentine home decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. Starting with my favorite project, I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree wood pieces. I'm going to remove the strings and then I'm going to paint these using some white chalk paint. I did add a little bit of water just to make this look more like a whitewash. I will be making a larger sign, so to attach these together I am using this paint stir stick, which I thought I needed only one. I thought if I cut it in half it was gonna fit in here, but it doesn't. It's a little bit smaller, so I did have to use 2 of them. Once I am done cutting these 2 sides, I'm going to paint them using the Waverly Antique Wax. Before I glue these together, I'm going to add the little hanger. So I'm using this little piece of jute twine that have these little clear things instead of using the ones that came with this. Once I am done adding this, then I'm going to glue the pieces of wood. I'm using hot glue. So since this is the only thing that's going to keep these 2 signs together, I do recommend you using a combination of wood glue and hot glue, or just wood glue or a heavier duty glue, so it can be nice and sturdy, or just add some popsicle sticks on the back. And look how beautiful it's already starting to look. You can add whatever you like to this. From Dollar Tree, I'm using one of their laser cutout words, which is this love one right here that I painted using the Waverly Antique Wax. I glue this more towards the bottom, which I actually end up removing it and moving it lower. Moving on, I will be painting all of these different wooden hearts that I had. All of them are from Dollar Tree except this one right here that I'm painting. I'm not sure if this is from Walmart or Hobby Lobby, but I am going to paint all of them using the Waverly chalk paint in the color crimson. Once they are dry, I'm going to add them to my sign, but first I am going to arrange them to see how I want them to go. Once how I like where they're at, I am going to grab a pencil and mark where I had them, so like that I don't forget. Once I am done marking them, I'm going to start adding some strings just like this. Now each string I add, I am going to make sure it is long enough as the first one. Hopefully I made sense with that. Once I had finished adding the string, this is when I realized that I needed to move the love sign a little bit lower, so that is what I did. Then I grabbed all of the strings together, I tied them, and then I gave it a little haircut. Once I was done doing that, I glued this down and added a bow. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using one of these Dollar Tree wooden hearts. I will be removing the string. So I'm going to use the Waverly chalk paint. Once again, I did add a little bit of water so it can look more of a whitewash. I will be making this shiplap, so I'm using this Dollar Tree wood piece to make the lines, and I'm using a brown marker that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a paint marker. And look how beautiful this looks. Now, using whatever paint was left over on this sponge brush, I distressed it all around the heart, and I just love how this turned out. So now, using a few of the Dollar Tree hearts that I had around, I will be adding them all around the hearts. I just want to cover the little holes, so I thought that was a great way to cover them up. Once I was done gluing the heart, I then added Be Mine, which I will be using some of the Dollar Tree poster stickers and some from Family Dollar. So from Family Dollar, I'm going to use these to add the word B. That is because I didn't have enough of the other letters, so I just used them both. I didn't have an E with the Dollar Tree poster sticker letters, so to fix that up, I'm going to use an F, and then I'm going to cut the bottom part of the Z and add it together with an F, and that made an E. There was a space right beside B, so I will be adding a heart. I was going to use this large heart, but I ended up using a smaller one. So that completes this beautiful DIY. For this project, I'm going to use this Dollar Tree wood circle. Now I'm going to remove the string and save it because I will be adding it at the end. Then using the Dollar Tree painter's tape, I'm going to add a piece of tape at the top and the bottom so I can paint the sides using the Waverly Antique Wax. This one bleeded a little, so all I did is put the tape back on there and just fixed it. But this time I made sure I pressed down on the tape so it wouldn't bleed. I'm going to set this to the side so it can dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to paint this Dollar Tree heart using the color red. And then I'm going to paint some string that I had black or whatever was left over on my sponge, which was this color. I don't know what color this is. The other thing that I painted black was this piece of wood. I used my Cricut to cut out in the air. Now, the reason I did this because I don't have any poster sticker letters that are red, but if you have some poster sticker letters, you can always use that. For the word love, I am going to use these wood words that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now that I have everything I need to add to my sign, I'm going to start by adding the hearts. But first, I'm going to add the piece of string on the back. Then I'm going to glue the heart down and then add the other piece of wood. If you can guess by now, this is going to be a little heart air balloon. I'm going to decorate my balloon a little more, so I'm adding this ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. I will be adding some more Dollar Tree wood hearts. These right here, I love these because these come in different shape and colors. I'm using the red one for the basket. I will be adding some more hearts, and these little wood hearts come from the Dollar Tree. The next thing I will be doing is adding love is in the air. One thing I do wish I had made the is in the air a little bit bigger. The last thing I will be doing is adding the string back as the hanger. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.